नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों। आज मैं आपके साथ आगामी यूकेपीएससी एई की जो परीक्षा शेड्यूल्ड है उसी परीक्षा से रिलेटेड जनरल स्टडीज़ पेपर का एक कंप्लीट मॉक पेपर लेके आया हूँ। इस मॉक पेपर में मैं आपके साथ डिफरेंट जनरल स्टडीज़ के जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, चाहे वह हिस्ट्री हो, जाए ज्योग्राफी हो, पॉलिटी हो, इकोनॉमी हो या करंट अफेयर्स, सभी का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है उनके 100 क्वेश्चंस, टॉप 100 क्वेश्चंस मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूँगा। आप मेरे साथ इस पेपर में चलें और गेज करें कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन किस लेवल की है, और जहाँ जहाँ आपको लगे कि कुछ कमी रह गई है उसको आप लास्ट के कुछ दिनों में स्ट्रेंथन करें। साथ ही आशा करता हूँ कि हमारे चैनल पर उपलब्ध यूकेपीएससी के जितने भी पुराने प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स हैं, वह यूकेपीएससी एई के पेपर्स हों 2007, 12 या 13 के, चाहे और किसी पेपर के प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स हों, उन सभी को आप ज़रूर से देख के एक बार अपने एग्ज़ाम में जाएं। उनसे आपको आपके जो जनरल स्टडीज़ का पेपर है उसमें बहुत मदद मिलेगी, और आई एम श्योर दैट उसमें एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 क्वेश्चंस आपको रिपीटेड उन पेपर से मिल जाएंगे। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं हमारे मॉक पेपर की। पहला क्वेश्चन है, ऑस्लो अकॉर्ड हैज़ बीन साइंड बिटवीन विच टू नेशंस। तो आपका इसका आंसर हो जाएगा, द आंसर टू दिस विल बी इजराइल एंड पैलेस्टाइन, विच इज़ ऑप्शन ए। Next question is, who was the founder of Ganga dynasty? So the answer to this question will be कोनकनी वर्मन। अब देखिए, इसमें पूछा गया who was the founder of Ganga dynasty, right? ऐसे ही वो आपसे पूछ सकता है कि who was the founder of खिलजी dynasty और who was the founder of the मुगल empire in India। तो देखिए, जितनी भी डायनेस्टीज हो गई, चाहे वह दिल्ली सल्तनत की डायनेस्टी हो, या फॉर एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन ऐसे आ सकता है हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ पाल डायनेस्टी, ये क्वेश्चन पहले पूछा गया है, देन द आंसर वुड बी गोपाला। ऐसे ही वो पूछ सकता है हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ खिलजी डायनेस्टी, देन द आंसर वुड बी जलाउद्दीन खिलजी। तुगलक डायनेस्टी का फाउंडर घियासुद्दीन तुगलक। हु लेड द फाउंडेशन ऑफ मुगल एम्पायर इन इंडिया, इट वॉज लेड बाय बाबर इन 1526 because the first battle of Panipat was held in 1526 wherein he defeated इब्राहिम लोदी। तो जितने भी फाउंडर्स हो गए और जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट बैटल्स हैं हिस्ट्री के, आप उनकी एक लिस्ट बना लें, और मैं भी उनको अपने चैनल्स में आगामी वीडियोस में कवर करूंगा। उनसे आपको एक या दो प्रश्न जरूर ही आपके जनरल स्टडीज़ के पेपर में मिल जाएंगे। तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रूगल इंजीनियरिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, फ्रूगल इंजीनियरिंग इज डिफाइंड एज द प्रोसेस ऑफ, frugal engineering is related to reducing the complexity and cost of a good and its production. So the answer to this will be option B. Your next question is, which of the following is an example of Piedmont Plateau? Tibetan Plateau, Bolivian Plateau, Malwa Plateau and Deccan Plateau. So the answer to this will be option C, which is Malwa Plateau. Next question is, which of the following countries is not part of Melanesia region in Pacific Ocean? Vanuatu, Solomon Islands, Fiji and Kiribati. So the answer to this will be Kiribati, which is option D. This question you can prepare from the map. आप मैप की एक आपको जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए, कौन सी कंट्रीज़ ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर से पास करती हैं, कौन सी कंट्रीज़ आपकी इक्वेटर से पास करती हैं, और कौन सी ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न से पास करती हैं। वो क्वेश्चन फिर ऐसे पूछ सकता है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्री, इक्वेटर डजंट पास थ्रू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्री, जैसा कि अभी यूकेपीसीएस की जो परीक्षा हुई थी उसमें भी एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछा गया। ऐसे ही व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंडिया, वो ऐसा पूछ सकता है कि ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर जो है, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, इट डजंट पास थ्रू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स। तो हमारा इंडिया में जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, इट पासिस थ्रू 8 स्टेट्स। सो आपको उन सभी 8 स्टेट्स के नाम याद होने चाहिए, जिससे आप सही ऑप्शन को टिक लगा के उसमें अपना सही आंसर दे पाए। तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द डेजर्ट नेशनल पार्क इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन राजस्थान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द मुरलिन नेशनल पार्क इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? मुरलिन नेशनल पार्क इज लोकेटेड इन मिजोरम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द लैंगटेंग वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? दिस इज ऑल्सो लोकेटेड इन मिजोरम। देखिए, तो ये क्वेश्चन जो हैं ये आपके वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज और नेशनल पार्क से रिलेटेड थे। सो आप देखेंगे कि यूकेपीएससी के जो भी पेपर्स हैं, एक या दो क्वेश्चन आपको नेशनल पार्क्स और वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज पे भी मिल जाएंगे। जैसे आपका पालामाऊ टाइगर रिजर्व है, वेयर इज इट लोकेटेड, दे माइट आस्क। सो इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन झारखंड। ऐसे ही दे माइट आस्क दैट पाके टाइगर रिजर्व इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? सो इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश, राइट। अभी एक TX2 प्राइज होता है टाइगर कंजर्वेशन से रिलेटेड, इट वॉज awarded to सत्यमंगलम टाइगर रिजर्व, सत्यमंगलम टाइगर रिजर्व, दिस इज अ करंट अफेयर. सो दिस टाइगर रिजर्व इज लोकेटेड इन तमिलनाडु. ऐसे ही आपका एक एक और अवार्ड था, दैट वाज अवार्डेड टू परम्बिकुलम टाइगर रिजर्व. परम्बिकुलम टाइगर रिजर्व, देन दिस परम्बिकुलम टाइगर रिजर्व इज लोकेटेड इन केरला. सो जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं जो कि न्यूज़ में हैं वही सभी आपको तो याद होने ही होने चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज pedogenesis is the process in which mountains are formed, soils are formed, gases are formed, oceans are formed. देखिए pedo is always soil, so soils are formed in pedogenesis. Next question is which part of the Indian Constitution deals with its amendments, right? So ये आपका हो जाएगा पार्ट 20. इसमें इसने आपका पार्ट पूछ लिया, बट जनरली वो पूछ लेता है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शेड्यूल्स डील्स विद अ पर्टेन आइटम, सर्टेन आइटम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो ये पूछ सकता है कि आपका जो भी जो 3 डिफरेंट लिस्ट हैं विच डिवाइड द पावर्स बिटवीन सेंटर स्टेट्स एंड दे कम अंडर विच शेड्यूल, तो उसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 7 शेड्यूल, यूनियन लिस्ट, स्टेट लिस्ट एंड कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट. ऐसे ही पूछ लेगा पंचायती राज विच डील्स विद 29 आइटम्स रिलेटेड टू लोकल रूरल लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट इज इन विच शेड्यूल, दैट इज 11th शेड्यूल. म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज अर्बन लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट इज इन 12th शेड्यूल. एंटी डिफेक्शन इट इज 10th शेड्यूल, right? Land reforms it is 9th schedule which was inserted by first amendment in 1951. so ये सब जितने भी शेड्यूल्स हैं आपके, ये भी आपको याद से करके जाने एग्जाम में, बिकॉज डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन इन पे आ जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द अष्टप्रधान ऑफ शिवाजी. देखिए अष्टप्रधान एक सिस्टम था शिवाजी का, वेन इन ही हैड अपॉइंटेड 8 मिनिस्टर्स. सभी मिनिस्टर्स आपको याद करके जाने, बिकॉज उन पे वो जरूर क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता है. सुमंत, माजुमदार, वाकिया यानविस एंड वकील. वकील वॉज नॉटेड in the Ashpradhan system, so the answer to this will be option D. Which among the following gas was leaked at Bhopal gas tragedy during 2nd 3rd December 1984? Very important question and asked frequently by UKPSC. This is methyl isocyanate. मिथाइल आइसोसायानेट ऑप्शन गलत न मार्क कर दें आप, क्योंकि ऑप्शंस बहुत क्लोज दिए रहते हैं. ऑल्सो सेम क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं दैट भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी वॉज हेल्ड ऑन विच डेट. तो ये आंसर आपका ये हो जाएगा 2nd 3rd December 1984. Next question is choose the correct statement with respect to uranium. Both uranium U-35 and U-38 are fissile, but only U-35 can sustain chain reactions. Only U-35 is fissile and can sustain chain reactions, but U-38 is not fissile होगा ये यहाँ पे. U-38 can be used in chain reactions only after extracting U-35 from it. Uranium enrichment is a process where concentration of U-238 is increased during some chemical processes. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन बी, विच इज ओनली U-35 इज फिजाइल एंड कैन सस्टेन चेन रिएक्शन, बट U-38 इज फर्टाइल. सो द आंसर टू दिस विल बी ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग हिंदू पेंटर्स वॉज सेंट बाय जहांगीर टू पोर्ट्रेट शाह अब्बास वन ऑफ पर्शिया. सो इसका आंसर होगा आपका ऑप्शन बी, बिशन दास, अ वेरी फेमस पेंटर ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ जहांगीर. Next question is who is known as the father of economics? This is Adam Smith. Next question is question number 16, which is where is the largest Indian museum? Largest Indian museum is Indian Museum, which is located in Kolkata. Option D. Next question is which range does Indus River originate from? Actually, Indus River, Satluj River and the Brahmaputra River, they have the common point of origin and they originate from the northern slopes of Kailash range, or you can say that Kailash Mansarovar there, that is the point from where Indus, Satluj and your Brahmaputra river originate. But when it comes to Indus River, it originates from the northern slopes of Kailash range. Next question is where are the headquarters of IUCN located? International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. They are located in Gland, Switzerland, which is option A, Gland, which is located in Switzerland. Next question is which among the following is the oldest insurance company of India? This is Oriental Life Insurance Company, which is option A. Next is Pandit Jasraj belongs to which among the following gharanas? He belongs to Mewati Gharana, which is option D. Next question is Raj Shekhar, the eminent Sanskrit poet, dramatist and critic who is best known for his work Kavya Mimamsa, has described himself as guru of which king of Gurjar Pratiharas? So Raj Shekhara has described him as the guru of Mahendrapal I. Next question, question number 22 is, if a high court judgment is issued in a state's official language, a translation is also made available in Hindi, English, both Hindi and English, none, this will be English. Who has launched EHRMS for central government employees to access all service details? This has been launched by Union Minister Jitendra Singh. Next is, Treaty of Yavandu is related to which of the following states? It is related to Assam, which is option B. Next question is, if there is a dispute in the presidential election, it will be referred to whom among the following? It will be referred to the Supreme Court. So all disputes arising out of the election of the president and the vice president are decided by the Supreme Court of India. Who was the founder of Pal dynasty of Bengal? It was Gopala. India's rank in WEF's Global Energy Transition Index is 87th. Now see, अभी जो यूकेपीएससी का अपर का पेपर हुआ था रिसेंटली 3 अप्रैल को, उसमें पूछा गया कि यूएनडीपी के जो एचडीआई इंडेक्स है उसमें इंडिया की क्या रैंक थी? इट वाज 131. सो इससे हमें क्या पता लगता है, एक ना एक इंडेक्स वो जरूर पूछ ले रहे हैं. ऐसे ही जो आपका प्रीवियसली एफआरओ या लोअर का पेपर हुआ था उसमें दे आस्क्ड व्हाट वाज द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन ग्लोबल इनोवेशन इंडेक्स विच वाज रिलीज्ड बाय वीपो, वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअली प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इट वॉज 46th, राइट. सो ये सभी जो इंपॉर्टेंट इंडिसेस है और उसमें भारत की जो रैंक है वो आपको एग्जाम में जरूर करके जानी है. ये आपको सुनिश्चित करेगा कि आपके जो भी क्वेश्चंस एक या दो इससे पूछे जाएंगे वो सही हो जाएं. इन हाउ मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स नरेगा वॉज लॉन्च्ड इनिशियली? इट वॉज लॉन्च्ड इन 200 districts, which is option D. Next question is, the establishment of a finance commission was provided by the Indian constitution by the president within a period of dash of commencement of the constitution. Within a period of 2 years from the commencement of the constitution, and finance commission is under article 280 of the constitution. Important article, ये भी आपको पढ़ के जाने. Who among the following is the first Indian to win Hoover Prize? This is APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president of India, also known as the missile man. Round tripping is normally used in context in which of the following? So round tripping is used related to FDI, which is foreign direct investments. Next question is in which year the name of National Institute of Sciences of India was changed to the Indian National Science Academy, INSA? So it was in 1970, which is option C. Next question is, who among the following was the chairman of the expert committee which suggested consumption expenditure for identifying the BPL? So BPL is mostly related to Suresh Tendulkar. Tendulkar committee looks after BPL mostly. So the answer to this will be option D. Who among the following judges of Supreme Court of India was called as champion of state rights many times? This was Justice Subba Rao, which is option A. Next question is, who of the following presidents of India headed the Indian Society of Labour Economics, founded in 1957? This was V.V. Giri. Next question is, Bagh-e-Babar, where Babar is buried, is located in? It is located in Kabul, Afghanistan. Next question is, which of the following part of the body stores vitamin A, D as well as vitamin B12? So this is liver. अब देखिए विटामिन से एक इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं आपको दे देता हूँ. देर आर 2 types of vitamins, वाटर soluble एंड फैट soluble. आप सिर्फ वाटर soluble जो विटामिन हैं उनको याद कर लें, वो है विटामिन बी एंड सी, एंड फैट soluble आर ए, डी, ई एंड के. सो अगर आप सिर्फ वाटर soluble को याद कर लें तो इट विल बी ईजियर, आप एलिमिनेट करके सही ऑप्शन तक पहुंच जाएंगे. So water soluble vitamins are B and C. Moving to the next question, question number 38. Which among the following are used in computed tomography CT scan? So the answer to this will be X-rays, which is option A. Next question is, National Medical Library is located at? It is located in New Delhi. Along with Jatropha, the seed oil of which among the following plants has been found to be useful in diesel generators and other countries for as feedstock for biodiesel? तो जट्रोफा के अलावा which other plant has been used as feedstock for biodiesel? ये क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है. So the answer to this will be option D, which is Pterocarpus santallineus, which is option D. Next question is, the Gandhi Sagar Dam is built on which river in Madhya Pradesh? This is Chambal, which is option B. Next question is, the fiscal deficit for 2022-23 has been estimated at? It has been estimated at 6.4%. Next question is, in which year Food Safety and Standards Act was enacted in India? This was in the year 2006, which is option C. Which of the following tests is used for the diagnosis of color blindness in people? This is Ishihara test, ELISA test is AIDS? This also you should remember has been asked previously. The only session of Indian National Congress which was presided over by Mahatma Gandhi was held at Belgaum, which is option A. Which of the following is the highest peak of Satpura range? It is Dhupgarh, which is option B. Now, Doda Beta is the highest peak of Nilgiri. This also you should remember. And Anai Buddhi is the highest peak of Western Ghats. Highest peak of Western Ghats as a whole, it is located in Anamalai Hills. 47th, in which year the Danish East India Company was formed? So it was formed in 1600. The English East India Company was formed in 1600. Who among the following are elected via the presidential voting system, which is the preferential voting system, sorry. This is President of India, Vice President of India, members of legislative assemblies, members of legislative councils. Select the correct option. So C, members of legislative assemblies, they are elected on the basis of direct election. So this shouldn't be there. 3 shouldn't be there. 3 shouldn't be there. Options B and D are eliminated. 1, 2 are there. We have to check option 4. Members of legislative councils. Yes, they are also elected indirectly on the basis of preferential voting. So answer will be option C, which is option 1, 2 and 4. President, Vice President and members of legislative councils. Next question is, consider the following authorities. Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities, Commission to investigate the condition of backward classes, Chief Economic Advisor. Who among the following are appointed by the President? So option 1, which is Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities and Commission to investigate condition of backward classes. 1 and 2 will be the answer. Chief Economic Advisor is not appointed by the President, so answer would be option D. Also a current affair, Chief Economic Advisor has been appointed recently in the month of January 2022. His name is V. Ananta Nageshwaran. V. Ananta Nageshwaran. V. Ananta Nageshwaran. This was in news. They might ask who has been appointed as the new Chief Economic Advisor. It is V. Ananta Nageshwaran. Moving on to question 50. All trees plants of which of the following sets are abundant in the Western Himalayas? So the answer to this will be option C, pine, spruce, silver fir, silver birch, which is option C. Moving on to the next question. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 6 states of India. No, it passes through 8 states. While moving from west towards India, Oman is the last country on land through which Tropic of Cancer passes before entering India. That is true. So option B is the only 2 will be the correct answer. Next is Equatorian is a military exercise of India with Maldives. This is a current affair. The child sex ratio of Uttarakhand as per census 2011 is 890. With which of the following are correct with respect to the French East India Company? It was a private concern. That is true. It was a private company. It was chartered by King Louis XIV. It was abolished immediately after French Revolution. Sorry, it wasn't a private company. It was a government company. That was the difference between the French East India Company and the English East India Company. So one will be wrong. It was chartered by King Louis XIV. This is true. Abolished immediately after French Revolution. No. So answer will be option D, which is only 2. Which among the following statements are correct regarding Tipu Sultan? He was the only Indian ruler in those days who was self-sufficient in arms. That is true. He not only fought with British but also with the Marathas. That is absolutely true. He allied with French East India Company. Yes, that is true. He paid special attention to economic development of his state. That is true. A very generalized statement. So all the statements are true. Hence your answer will be option C. Moving on to next question. Which of the following are protected areas defined in the Wildlife Protection Act? Community reserves, eco-sensitive zones, biosphere reserves. Protected areas in Wildlife Protection Act. This is only option C, which is option only one, which is option C, that is community reserves. Moving on to the next question, which is question 57. The Shankaracharya statue unveiled at Kedarnath in Uttarakhand has been sculpted at. It was unveiled by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and it has been sculpted by Arun Yogiraj, which is option A. Consider the following species: great white shark, killer whale, white shark. Which of the following are mammals? Only killer whale is a mammal among the following, so your answer would be option B. Who among the following radio frequencies are used around the world in air navigational system? This is VHF, very high frequency. Next question is, the phenomena due to which animals sweat to reduce temperature and change electrolyte concentration is called? This is homeostasis, which is option B. Next question is, consider the following differences between green cement and ordinary Portland cement. Green cement is stronger than ordinary Portland cement. This is definitely true. Green cement does not require water for curing, while ordinary Portland cement requires water for curing. This is also true. So both the statements are true, hence option C will be correct, which is both 1 and 2. Next question is, consider the following. INSV Tarini, Indian Navy's first sailboat. Yeah, that is true. No, this is not true. INSV Tarini, Indian Navy's first sailboat. No, this is not true. Fairy Queen, India's first solar ferry. No. Aditya, India's first solar panel fitted train. No. Aditya L1 is a mission which is carried out by ISRO and Ares Nainital. It is not a solar panel fitted train. So none of these is true. So the answer will be option D. Quick response code or QR code can be easily read by smartphones. That is true. Holds information in horizontal as well as vertical direction. This is also true. Carries much more amount of information in comparison to a conventional barcode. This is also true. So all the statements are true. So answer would be option D. Economic development in the Greater Mekong sub-region has outpaced many other regions of the world over the past 2 decades. The Greater Mekong sub-region is one of the biodiversity hotspot. That is true. Shares a small territory in northeast India. No, Mekong region is in China. Mekong region flows through China. So option 2 is wrong. Is marked by subsistence or near subsistence agricultural lifestyles. That is true. Has considerable coal, gas and oil reserves. That is true. So if you know option 2 is wrong, it is not located in northeast India. 2 is wrong. We'll cancel the options A, B and D. So we are left with only one option, which is option C. Hence that would be the correct answer. World's largest floating solar plants have been set up in Singapore, which is option C. Mount Tal, a volcanic mountain, is situated in Philippines, which is option C. Consider the following. All raised by the government by issue of treasury bills, ways and means advances, judicial deposits. Which of the following are credited to the Consolidated Fund of India? Only 1 and 2, not the judicial deposits. So answer would be option B. Next question is, the terms IBAN, BBAN, SEPA and SWIFT are associated with. देखिए इसमें आपको पता होगा कि जो SWIFT term है that is related to banking. Hence your answer would be international banking. Moving on to question number 69. Which of the following statements best define the contours of Shakti, scheme for harnessing and allocating Koila transparency in India scheme? In this scheme, government-owned Coal India offers assured coal supply to units. That is true. The scheme introduced market-based pricing for independent power producers. That is also true. So answer would be option C. INS Karanj, Scorpion class submarine. INS Tarasa, water jet fast attack craft. That is true. INS Ashtdharani, torpedo recovery vessel. All of them are true. So your answer would be option C. Moving on to the next question. World Investment Report, Global Economic Prospect and Forest Carbon Partnership Facility. Which of the following are published by the World Bank? So Global Economic Prospects and Forest Carbon Partnership Facility, these are released by the World Bank. Whereas World Investment Report, it has been asked by UKPSC in one of the earlier exams. World Investment Report is released by, so the answer to that will be UNCTAD. That would be the correct answer for World Investment Report. Moving on to question 72. Both Onam and Pongal generally fall in the same months of the Gregorian calendar. No. Are harvest season festivals, that is true, are related to Lord Vishnu's avatars? No. So your correct answer would be only option B, only option 2, which is your option C. PM Jan Dhan Yojana was launched in which year? It was launched in 2014. Same year in which Make in India was also launched. Next is, which of the following is a digital initiative undertaken for providing hassle-free service to consumers applying for new LPG connection? This is Sahaj, not Pehal. Many would mark Pehal on seeing LPG, but you should read the complete question. So इसका आंसर आपका होगा Sahaj. Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation has launched the National Water Quality Submission that aims to prevent contamination of water from which of the following pollutants? Arsenic, fluoride, sulfur and mercury. देखिए, water pollution is mainly related to arsenic and fluoride. So your answer would be option A, which is 1 and 2 only. Following statements about Lakshya, an initiative by the government. It is a safe delivery mobile application for health workers who manage normal and complicated deliveries. That is true. You should remember this name, Lakshya Initiative. It is aimed at improving quality of maternity care in labor room and maternity operation theatre. That is true. So both the statements are true. So your answer would be option C. 1 nautical mile is equivalent to which of the following? It is 1.852 into 1000 meters, that is 1.850 kilometers. Which of the following is not a conservative force? Electrostatic, magnetic force is an elastic spring, and frictional force. It is frictional force. What is the value of the universal gravitational constant? This is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Option B. SI unit of frequency. This is Hertz, a very basic question, especially when you are preparing for an exam like UKPSC AE. On how much amount of interest repayment and income tax rebate is available in India? So your answer to this will be 1.5 lakh per annum. Option A. What is the size of the image formed by the concave mirror when the object is at its focus? This is highly enlarged. Option D. Which of the following mirrors is commonly used as rear view mirror in a vehicle? This is convex mirror. Now, since we have talked about mirrors, let me talk about two diseases related to the eyes. One is myopia and the another one is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia. So if question is asked on these two diseases, which is generally asked by UKPSC, you can study only about one, that is myopia, and the reversal of that will be true in hypermetropia. So myopia is also known as short-sightedness. So in this you can see the nearby objects clearly and far off objects seem to be blur. So in myopia is corrected using concave lens, right? So this is the case. Now when it comes to hypermetropia, that is far-sightedness, which means far off objects can be seen clearly, nearby objects cannot be seen clearly, and it will be corrected using convex lens. So that is how you can, answer the questions if it is asked by UKPSC. Moving on to question number 84, an underwriter undertakes to buy a certain number of shares or debentures irrespective of subscription from the public. This type of underwriting is known as firm underwriting, which is option B. Next is a storage device that stores computer data after it is turned off. It is added to a computer beyond the immediately usable main storage. What is the name given to this device? This is known as backing store, which is option C. A software is a set of instructions or programs to execute a specific task. Which one is not a software? Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Monitor is a hardware, not a software. In which of the following groups is gold placed in the modern periodic table? It is placed in group 11, which is option C. Which of the following molecules have an electrovalent bonding? NaCl, MgO, NH3. This is both A and B. Option D. Which of the following is not a compound of carbon? Cinnabar, acetic acid, chloroform, methane. No, cinnabar is not a compound of carbon. Where are the last Diflymix held? This is Turkey. When was FINA founded? FINA was founded in 1908, which is option B. Which country has won the Thomas Cup 2021? It is Indonesia. Where is the oldest bat which still exists displayed? It is displayed in London, which is option C. Moving on to question number 94. Which team is the current champion of Uber Cup? Uber Cup is China. Which of the following is the UN observer of Olympic truce? The answer to this will be International Olympic Committee. What is the ratio of English to Hindi speaking people in the world? This is 65 to 35. Next question is, where was the Oriental Bank of Commerce established in India? It was established in Lahore, which is option A. Moving on to question 98. India's tallest air purification tower has been set up in Chandigarh. A question from current affairs. Which of the following products provide an opportunity to build up saving through regular monthly deposits of fixed sum over a period of time? This is recurring deposit amount, which is option C. Next question and the last question is, Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty NPT has not been signed by which of the following countries? China, Canada, UK, India. The answer to this will be India. So with that, we come to the end of our discussion of our mock test on UKPSC AE General Studies. Hope you liked the session. So do subscribe to our channel so that we get a constant motivation and support from your side to bring more mock tests for you in order to shape your preparation and give it a final boost. Thank you everyone. All the very best.